Don't scratch our car, please.
Oh, the space gives me anxiety. Oh! Let's check the damage after. Oh! Asa, come. 짜잔. Push it in all the way. After shedding a bit of blood, what we can do is do a giveaway for one of you subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're at Inari Fushimi in Japan. Just joking. We came to Auburn Botanical Gardens today. Our Australian flag there. We came to visit the Auburn Botanical Gardens today. I'm just going to document a bit about how we spend the day here. In the meantime, we'll talk through our favorite and our least favorite thing about having Tesla Model Y as a family SUV after now 3 to 4 months of experience and use. We're catching the tail end of the Cherry Blossom Festival. It's end of August, so we're worried that there won't be any cherry blossoms left, but we're glad to see so many pretty cherry blossom trees. Let's go explore the garden. Snowing cherry blossoms.
완전 조그만 핑크 플라워 여기 있네?
Such a surreal moment. Hey mate, can I get a quick interview please? What are your thoughts on the recent rollout of FSD in Australia and New Zealand? No comment. This garden is so much more beautiful than I remember, and the best part about it is that it's completely free for us because all of us live in the city of Cumberland. Yay! Having fun, boys? Looks like this activity will keep the boys busy and happy for another 30 minutes. So, I'm gonna share from my experience what the absolute best part about having a Model Y is for our family. And it comes from the 5 years experience of owning a Model 3 prior as well. And by far, the best part about having a Model Y is definitely the cost savings. I have a little Excel sheet tracking our total spending on both our Model 3 and Model Y on maintenance. You know, if we own the ICE vehicle, we'd be paying for oil changes, regular checkups, and everything else. And the total running cost for owning a Model 3 for the past 5 years only sits at $800. So we did air filter changes. We also did a tire change at 60k kilometers. Since Teslas run on a single motor rather than an internal combustion engine, all we need to take care of is really the parts that have wear and tear on it, like the wipers, the tires. That's pretty much it. For example, how often do you take your iPhone to servicing? Never, right? Tesla is pretty much a bigger iPhone that rolls around on wheels because it's got a battery, it's got a computer, the user interface, and control buttons. If we talk about charging as well, though we don't have a home charging option because we live in an apartment, it still only costs us $20 tops for 420 kilometers of range. And pocketing all that savings to spend on more important stuff like children's diapers. But I also want to hear from Jess. Let's see what she thinks. Jess, can you quickly interview yourself while I take care of the kids? I know it's been more than 100 days since we owned the Tesla Model Y. If you had to pick only one thing, what's your absolute favorite part about having it as a family vehicle?
It's a bit cold, isn't it? My favorite part of having the Tesla Model Y is that kids are able to sit down very comfortably and
It's a nice day today, but it's way too windy, so Jess just excused herself from the whole interview. Now my job is to convince this little one to come with me to the next spot. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Ah. 가자 가자. Let's see through the hole. Reflection pool. This area has been sponsored by the Auburn Lidcombe Businessmen's Club. Thank you, Auburn Lidcombe Businessmen's Club. 여기서 드로잉하면 안 돼.
Yes, that's right. 스포일러는 뭐해? 아닌데. 스포일러는 코코지 않은데.
Three model wallabies posing. Actually, my first time seeing them open up the feathers like that. Wow. Now time for me to share the worst part about owning a Tesla. If you know me, you know I'll keep it short, so here it is. Relying on public charging all the time because you live in an apartment sucks because sometimes you get there and there's an ICE vehicle parked in the charging spot. That's a bit annoying. Other than that, we love being EV owners. Ase, do you like our dark grey babang? You don't like our dark grey babang? What do you like? Which car do you like? White one, the Model 3? Cutie. Well, we're done exploring the garden, so let's get back to our car.
Don't scratch our car, please.
Okay, we had brunch at Cook & Co. The famous lentil soup and...
It was very good.
What is it called? The
Turkish bread
Turkish bread with
honey and cream cheese.
Anywho, because of that, we parked at Auburn Civic Center and we're trying to get out.
And it's so tight.
Oh, the space gives me anxiety. Oh!
Whoa!
Let's check the damage after. 아세 come. 조심해. The boys are as happy as ever, but let me show you guys the damage. You okay?
No.
I'm sorry. It doesn't help that the car got absolutely sprayed by a lot of bird poo. What kind of bird poos like this? All over the whole car. And unfortunately, this isn't the first time we scratched our car. Let me show you the damage we did today. Just heartbreaking. Actual damage onto the actual rims. Look at this. We got this kind of damage on the opposite side too, here, if you look close enough. Absolutely destroyed. Who can we blame but ourselves for this? Well, the good news is we do have a plan. We were actually eyeing the EVBase Rim Protector for these wheels, so we're able to actually protect the whole rim from any damages like this. We should have done this sooner, but I think we'll put the order in today. At least the boys are happy. Well, we're gonna make the order tonight and we'll see you on the other side.
A few days later.
짜잔! Thanks to our lovely sponsor EVBase, we are back here in our favorite dungeon with another set of hubcaps to replace the damaged rims, as well as the new rim protectors that will keep our rims from any further damage into the future. So we're very excited to open this up. Let's start with unboxing.
Which one? That one.
Oh, that looks really pretty. Look at that matte cover. It looks so great. And the material feels really expensive, actually. So that's the rim protector. And of course, the hubcaps. We've only badly damaged 2 hubcaps. We have 4 hubcaps here. We're gonna replace 2 for now and keep 2 in case we damage more later down in time. Let's open the box. Oh! Make your car look brand new. Say bye-bye to curb rash. Sadly, I do think we'll continue damaging our hubcaps, so we'll keep this box in our garage and come back to it. So we're learning from our previous mistake. We're actually going to put on the logo so we know it's aligned between the different wheel covers. So next step, take the hubcaps off. All right, if you've purchased hubcaps like us, this would have been your #1 question. I understand how to install it, but how do you take it off? And we kind of found out the hard way. That's not the easiest thing to take off. And if you do struggle with this process, it takes a bit of trial and error and experience. If you can't do it at all, recommend going to the nearest tire shop in your area. Those guys will do it in like 0.2 seconds and they won't even charge you half the time. But I'm giving it a go today because no tire shops are open. Okay, that was easy. Oh. Just knew that I would struggle with this, so she's opened up this one for me. No, don't go back in. Anyway. Okay. Now, installation is piss easy. All right, you just slot it in and bang, 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 bang. Brand new car. Let's just line this one up with the front wheel. Simply remove the sticker at the back and the protective film. Ooh, pretty. Make sure it's around the same angle as the front wheel. There we go. Now we'll hold a little funeral for this hubcap. Now, the rim covers. I haven't watched a video on how to install this, so I'm gonna try use my common sense. Let's go under the wheel. Please tell me it doesn't go under the wheel.
Oh, does it? It only makes sense that it goes under the wheel. Take it off, babe. Da, 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 da.
One eternity later. I have reviewed all the 1 trillion possibilities, and unlike we thought, the hubcaps and rim protectors can't be applied onto the wheel at the same time. I'll show you what I mean. Come in. Rim protectors, like the name suggests, are meant to protect your rims from your stock wheels. And if we liked our stock grey launch edition wheels, this would have worked perfectly to avoid further rim scratches. But because we love our hubcaps so much, we're not going to use the rim protectors. I understand if you recently bought a Juniper RWD normal range car because it would have come with stock caps, and on top of that, it will fit perfectly. Now, I should have either got grey ones, so it at least blends in, or I should have noticed that you can't apply 2 protectors on the one stock wheel. But now I realized, after shedding a bit of blood. But I can see why this is super appealing, because your rims need protection. Otherwise, if you have a wheel like me, definitely recommend getting one of these hubcaps. Back to installation. This one's much more easier to install. For those of you who are planning to purchase this, I'll just show you how it's done. Find the hole and then start pushing the different sides in. I recommend starting with one of these and just use 2 fingers and push it in all the way. And you're done with the installation. These are lovely rim protectors, but unfortunately, we won't be using them anytime soon. So what we can do is do a giveaway for one of you subscribers. Comment down below your favorite thing about your Model Y. After a few weeks, we'll choose a winner and we'll ship this to you. Job done. Work. Yes, me look. So the installation's done, and huge thanks again to our sponsor EVBase today. If you're interested in getting the hubcap or the rim protector that I showed you today, please use the link down below to get 20% off your next order. You get a fresh new look and also provide that long-term protection for your Model Y. All the best with your journey, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, I forgot to mention. By the way, if you want a closer look into how the hubcaps actually look on the vehicle while it's being driven, how it compares to your stock wheels, then please check out this video up here. See ya! No more throwing rods. Okay? 가자. 핑 젤리 먹으러 가.